Of the great fresh tossed taste of McDonald salads. Better than ever with 3 new dressings.
I'm going with the zesty, reduced-calorie red French.
Alert the media.
At the end of the program, we'll tell you how to get information about unclaimed property.
If you treat your hemorrhoidal problems with a cream, try new Preparation H Cream, a soothing cream with a pleasant scent. It helps shrink swelling of tissues as it often relieves pain and itching for hours. New Preparation H Cream from doctor-recommended Preparation H.
Concerned about long life? Well, today's Duracell batteries live pretty near 30% longer than the ones from a few years back. They'll be around for a long time. Today's Duracell lasts 30% longer.
What's that fragrance you're wearing? Make a statement without saying a word.
Here's some news the Noid won't like. Domino's pan pizza. Oven fresh pan pizza delivered in 30 minutes or less. Guaranteed. Sorry, Noid. Call for Domino's pan pizza. Nobody delivers better.
When my head really hurts, I don't care what anyone says. The only thing that counts is what works for me. Advil does. One's usually enough. But when my head's pounding, 2 make quick work of the pain. Advil, advanced medicine for pain.
Friday, Larry steps into a new career.
Guess I'm getting my second wind.
I'll get the antacid.
On Perfect Strangers. Then, the Beach Boys make an encore performance on Full House.
Awesome. Totally tubular.
Then,
All of a sudden, every woman I meet wants my butt.
George gives a little performance of his own on Mr. Belvedere. And
Being able to run fast is your gift from God. But I thought virginity was my gift from God.
The 2 gifts go hand in hand.
just the 10 of us, Friday.
At the end of the program, we'll tell you how to get information about unclaimed property.
It's new. It's neat.
And so discreet. New Playtex Portables, a full-size tampon and a compact plastic applicator packed smaller. Playtex Portables.
New, neat.
Discreet.
I think you'll like this house.
Isn't this supposed to be haunted?
Haunted? What an absurd idea. I mean, what would a ghost be doing here? Haunted.
David.
No other diet soft drink delivers the real cola taste of 1-calorie Diet Coke. The real one. It's lifting more and more spirits every day. The move is on to Diet Coke.
For McDonald salads, Kathy.
Ditzy girl.
And Iron Mike Ditka.
Should I know you?
They both love the great fresh tossed taste of McDonald salads. Better than ever with 3 new dressings.
I'm going with the zesty, reduced-calorie red French.
Alert the media.
Sunday. It's the last Moonlighting ever. The most talked about show on television. The romantic comedy that won 6 Emmy Awards and 3 Golden Globes. And now it's time to say so long.
You don't know, do you?
No, what?
You've been canceled.
What?
The all-new farewell episode of Moonlighting. Sunday.
Lesbian mothers, women who love women having babies without husbands. What it's like for kids who have 2 parents called Mom. Watch 2020 Friday.
It's a Mother's Day gift every mom would love to have.
But one she probably won't get because it's too extravagant. The record-setting price on Nightcast at 10.
Denise comes home from Hillman on The Cosby Show tomorrow evening at 6:30 on KVIA 7 Together.
The Rudolph Dealer Group is proud to announce the opening of our newest franchises. Mitsubishi, Volkswagen, Audi, and Geo. So we're having a celebration sale. The Rudolph Celebration Sale is going on now at all 3 Rudolph locations. Rudolph Chevrolet Oldsmobile in Alamogordo, Rudolph Chevrolet, Geo, Volkswagen, and Audi on North Mesa, and Rudolph Hyundai and Mitsubishi at I-10 and McRae. Come save at the Rudolph Celebration Sale, going on now.
How did it happen? Once your little girl was happy, active, loving. Now she's full of anger and hate. The things she does frighten and hurt you. When you reach out, she pulls away. There is a treatment program that can help your teenager and you. We work with the family to restore the balance in your lives. But we can't help if you don't call. So call now and let us help you find a way to be a family again.
Foundations, a program for your adolescent. Call 544-4000.
At the end of the program, we'll tell you how to get information about unclaimed property.
Brushing with a tartar control toothpaste is good, but it's not good enough. Because the #1 dental problem isn't tartar, it's plaque. That's why there's Plax, the incredible pre-brushing rinse that removes 300% more plaque than brushing alone.
Cross the road, Jack, to a place with a taste that's more, that's more, that's more, that's more. Cross the road, Jack, Kentucky Fried Chicken's got more.
What you said, original recipe chicken, sir. Some chicken little sandwiches for him and her. Kentucky nuggets, hey, help make Daddy's day.
That's right, cross the road, Jack, Kentucky Fried Chicken's got more.
Cross the road, Jack.
Kentucky Fried
Break free and feel. Feel how splendid you are with Vanderbilt, the fragrance created by Gloria Vanderbilt. Let it release the splendor of you. Vanderbilt.
Introducing Zappa Pack. Cheese Whiz for one.
Starts with a flip, then a zip, zap, and dip. Make your leftovers hip with a zip, zap, and dip.
New Zappa Pack cups. Cheese Whiz for one. For a hot cheese sauce and a zap.
For a meal or a snack, get the new Zappa Pack. Tangy cheese whiz for one. Gonna make your food.
Zappa Pack cups. New from Cheese Whiz. The flip it, zip it, zap it way to add a little zing.
Next, it's the most shocking cliffhanger of the year. The season finale, Dynasty. For 6 consecutive Saturdays, America's greatest saga continues.
Day I met you was the day I was born.
North and South, Book 2, Saturdays.
At the end of the program, we'll tell you how to get information about unclaimed property.
Objects that become classics of contemporary design not only perform their functions well, they excite the senses, even stir the emotions. A recent example is a piece that's been added to the collections of over 1 million Americans. Ford Taurus, design that has captured the imagination as well as the road.
Get 2.9% financing or $750 cash bonus on 89 Ford Taurus.
When the itch of a teeny bug bite or allergic rash seems to take over your life, reach for Benadryl Cream with the most recommended topical antihistamine. It's the kind of relief you can't get from hydrocortisone. Benadryl Cream and Benadryl Spray.
Everyone may have their own individual taste, but Certs is the taste everyone can agree on. Because Certs and sugar-free Certs with Retsin.
ABC's Wide World of Sports is off to the races. First top Formula One drivers match skills and nerve in the circuit's premier event. USF&G presents the Grand Prix of Monaco. Then 4-year-old thoroughbreds hit the track in the PIMLICO Special. Plus an update from the Indianapolis 500 time trials. All Saturday on ABC Sports.
Sunday, the culmination of the saga that spans 6 years. Sharing the glory and the triumph of the unforgettable final episode. Sunday at 9, 8 Central, the conclusion of War and Remembrance. Saturday, the underdogs need help
Mitch would never do that. Nobody will listen to me.
to take down the fat cats. It's a special time for a man called Hawk.
Cholesterol. You hear a lot about it, but how much do you know about it? Join me for the National Cholesterol Test. What you learn may save your life. Tonight.
Routine trash pickup turns into tragedy for an El Paso family.
We'll have the story on Nightcast at 10.
Alex helps a struggling musician on the next Family Ties tomorrow afternoon at 4:30 on KVIA. 7 together.
Friday night is M-Bank Watch Night out at the Dudley Dome as your Diablos take on the Arkansas Travelers. Every kid 13 and under will receive one of these beautiful red Diablo watches courtesy of M-Bank. These sports watches come with a 12-month warranty, have 5 functions, a beautiful red plastic band, and a steel back case and setting buttons. Make plans to join us on M-Bank Night with game time at 7 o'clock. Remember, every kid 13 and under will receive a beautiful new Diablo watch.
The Rudolph Dealer Group is proud to announce the opening of our newest franchises. Mitsubishi, Volkswagen, Audi, and Geo. So we're having a celebration sale. The Rudolph Celebration Sale is going on now at all 3 Rudolph locations. Rudolph Chevrolet Oldsmobile in Alamogordo, Rudolph Chevrolet, Geo, Volkswagen, and Audi on North Mesa, and Rudolph Hyundai and Mitsubishi at I-10 and McRae. Come save at the Rudolph Celebration Sale going on now.
Tony Ireland's Furniture Showrooms and Warehouse.
Surprise her this year. Say I love you with a lamp or love seat from Tony Ireland Furniture, where prices have been marked down on everything in the store to save you money and make Mom happy. Give her something special this year. Sale now through Mother's Day at Tony Ireland's Furniture Showroom and Warehouse.
You'll always find low warehouse prices. So come see Tony Ireland.